Well, back on the 300, getting ready to pull the motor and transmission out. I've already got it jacked up in the air. I've got everything disconnected I need disconnected here. So right now I'm underneath it, disconnecting the few wires I've got left and the transmission cable, unplugging the transmission harness. I've already got the motor mount bolts or nuts off. Still got to get the cross member off of the transmission, disconnect the drive shaft, and should be about ready to pull. All right, we got her out. Now just got to clear a hole out, set her down, and clean this mess up. And get some more of the harness out of the way so I can start taking the trans tunnel out. Using the trans tunnel on this, I need to get up in there. So the whole dash needs to come out. I've already started. There's a bunch of bolts I got to take out to the side here. I got to take the front part of the dash part. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 4 or 5 bolts up that way. Do the same there. Undo the main harnesses that go to the dash. So let's see how well this goes. Let's get started. I got most of the harness disconnected on the passenger side. These are all the main harnesses that go up into the dash. Disconnected. Let's see. Step over here by the AC. All up in there. So now I gotta get that bolt out on that side, one on the other side, and hit the driver's side. All right, now we're on the driver's side. Let's see what I'm gonna have to take apart. That bolt's gotta come out. All these bolts behind here need to come out. That Phillips hole needs to come out. This trim piece needs to come out along with the door seal. And then once I get all this out of the way, I need to disconnect the steering column. And I think that should be it. Man, that was fun. A little awkward, but got it out. But hopefully Ethan will be up here soon. He can help me finish take the rest of the stuff apart. So there it is, dash out complete. So now, I need to get all the AC stuff out of the way to get to the trans tunnel. I believe I got all the nuts off the back now through the firewall. And the ones on this side. That actually loose. So let me see if I can get it to pull out. All right, got all the AC components out. So now I got full access to the trans tunnel. Also took off the drive-by-wire pedal, so I'm gonna have to have that. But we got a big old pile of parts on the ground now. Complete front wiring harness. There's the AC stuff. Shifter cable. Of course, the whole dash assembly. So now I gotta take the seat out, get the carpet out. Any miscellaneous wires that are going to be in the way of the trans tunnel, get all that disconnected and pulled out, and start cutting it out. All right, finally got this thing cut loose, and right now I'm getting ready to pull it out. Hopefully it ain't gonna be too much trouble, but we'll see. Okay, she's out, and I'm whooped. But there's the trans total. All I gotta do now is do some measuring, test fit once I get the motor mounts and trans mount built. Find out how much of this I need to cut off height-wise. And for those that know, the reason I wanted to use this thing because I am using the NAG 1 and I'm gonna be using the console in it, so it gives me all my mounting points. And also, I'm gonna get it spin around here. It's also my mounts for my carrier bearing. Because I am going to be using the drive shaft out of 300. I'm going to get it adapted to go to the 8.8. And kind of take it from there. But anyway, it's been a long day. And a lot of stuff got done. Now I need to clean my mess up. And I'm going to call it a night. So that, guys, you have a good one, a safe one, and I'll see you down the road.